How to use Windows Defender to scan a folder for malware. Windows 10 comes with a free built-in antivirus program called Windows Defender that offers real-time protection and the ability to perform scans of your computer. It also allows you to perform a custom scan that lets you specify the specific folder or drive you would like to scan for malware. As you only need to scan that one folder, the scan time will be much quicker than scanning an entire machine. If you wish to scan a single folder and its subfolders, the easiest method is to just right-click on the folder and select Scan with Windows Defender, as shown below. Once you select Scan with Windows Defender, Windows Defender will launch and scan all the files in the folder and its sunfolders. The other method is to use the Windows Defender interface to perform a custom scan of a selected folder. To do this, please follow these steps. From the Start menu, search for Windows Security and click on the result when it appears as shown below. When the Scan options screen opens, scroll down and select Custom Scan. Then click on Scan Now to start a custom scan. Windows Defender will now ask you what folder you wish to scan. In our example, we selected the C drive to scan the entire C drive, and only that drive, and all of its subfolders. Windows Defender will now scan the Enter C drive for malware. While running, it will provide a running count of files that have been scanned and the approximate amount of time left until it's finished. When done, it will list the amount of infections that have been detected. To clean the infections, click on the Start Actions button. Windows 7 hides certain files so that they are not able to be seen when you exploring the files on your computer. The files it hides are typically Windows 7 system files that, if tampered with, could cause problems with the proper operation of the computer. It is possible, though, for a user or piece of software to make a file hidden by enabling the hidden attribute in a particular file, or if you try to run a program and receive an error stating that the AP-MUS-WinCRT runtime L11-0.dll is missing from your computer. You can use this guide to restore the missing DLL so that your program works again. If you use a computer, read the newspaper, or watch the news, you will know about computer viruses or other malware. These are those malicious programs that once they infect your machine will start causing havoc on your computer. What many people do not know is that there are many different types of infections that are categorized in the general category of malware. With the release of the Windows 10 May 2019 update, Microsoft introduced a new security feature called Tamper Protection that protects security settings for Windows Defender antivirus from being disabled by malware or third-party programs. VMDR Vulnerability Management. Detection and response, discover, assess, prioritize, and patch critical vulnerabilities in real time and across your global hybrid IT landscape, all from a single solution. Text source: bleepingcomputer.com